Read your own body. We're born on this planet Earth. Since our childhood, we came to know our father, mother, they are nurturing, feeding, caring, protecting us. Add into this, we came to know sun and moon. Both play major important roles on our planet. This planet is made with 5 elements. Our body has 5 senses. Our 5 major organs has the connection with these 5 elements, as with 5 tests on our tongue. I would like to mention here most important factor of yin and yang. What is it? Have you heard about it? Definitely not. Yin and yang. Yin is like a night, then yang is like a day. If yin is like a cool, then yang is like a hot. If yin is like a silent, then yang is like a loud. If yin is like a stree, it means female, then yang is like a male, like Purush. Without yin and yang, no balance on earth, neither within us. So, you really have to understand this concept. This concept will take you further to understand acupressure more. Read your own body with these 5 elements and yin and yang. I am giving you in detail. Example at here. Look at this battery. This battery will not be complete without this plus and minus sign. Look at this magnet. This magnet could not be complete without the south and north direction pole. Our body portion also has a plus and minus. It means our body portion also has a yin and yang. Let's see where it is situated. So let's begin with the techniques. What are these techniques? Before that, I would like to mention here one disease which is insomnia. In this time, in lockdown time, everybody has some kind of frustration, depression about future. So what are those points on our body which will able to help us, heal us from internally, because body has its intelligence. So begin with that, I would like to tell you few points. See, I have explained you previously, this is yin side, this is yang side. If you miss that, I would like to give you small explanation at here. Okay, what is yin and yang? If you know stree and purush, female and male, if you know light and darkness, these are the two concepts. It's measured as a yin and yang. Okay, so when you see the water falling towards down, right? When flame is there, when it's fired up, it always goes up, right? Fire never goes down unless and until it's a comet or something, some object is coming from the space, right? So this is yin and yang is in our body also, right? Our body has a meridians. What are the meridians which functions in our body which will help us to cure the insomnia? So for that you have to go into the deep. For that you have to understand a whole this medicine. Okay, this is a body medicine. You have to understand this in detail. So we are focusing on insomnia. See, there are one point which is known as a yin tang. Okay, this is between these two eyebrows. You could see this video here which I have needled to one of my patient. Okay, I have applied the yin tang point between the eyebrows. So you could see here, this is yin tang point. The needles I have inserted here. So I will ask the patient what she is feeling right now after needling this point, yin tang point. Please share. Please tell your name.
My name is Nazneen Kazi and I am here for the regular treatment which is between 10 days I have to come over here. So yeah, I have this needle on my head, so it's feeling something is flowing near from the head till my nose. I don't know how, but it's flowing a lot.
So this is yin tang point, and yin tang point is very good for the flow of energy, for insomnia and many things which is around the head and area of your nose, eyes. So she is getting the chi, she is feeling chi is flowing down towards her nose, to her downward side it is flowing. So she is feeling like sleepy also. Yes, you are feeling like sleepy?
Yeah, I just came over here and I cannot even talk because I feel like I'm sleeping. Again and again I'm feeling like I'm going to sleep over here itself.
Okay, very good. Thank you for your feedback, Nazneen. Okay, so she is sharing that she is feeling like sleepy. So this point really help for the people who got the insomnia or maybe a stress on the mind level. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. When I needle that into this point, she certainly feel the energy is coming there and she feels sleepy. How it's happened? Because meridian is there, energy is there, it means chi, the flow is there. When we needle at those points, that point gets certain stimulation. When this stimulation happen, what happened? Inside our body, those chemicals get active and they will help us. So I am trying to explain you in very common language. See, this is your finger. You have to press it here and you have to roll this here like this. Okay? When you press and roll this finger in clockwise or anti-clockwise, you don't need to pressurize too much, otherwise it will be painful and that pain will rise. You will not able to understand the acupressure. That is why I am telling you and explaining you more about the concepts and body. So this acupressure is not about just pressing the point, specific point and getting the result. If you are getting result, that is nice, that is the requirement of our body, that I agree. But when you coming to my lecture on this video series, I will explaining you more about how our body reacting to the acupressure. So that's it for the now. We will go furthermore into the next video. Thank you for the watching.